cup of yogurt. بالبداية حنحتاج كوب وربع من ماء دافئ، وهذا الربع، نحتاج إلى ملعقة صغيرة من ملح، وملعقة صغيرة عسل. نحط وياها ونخلطه إلى أن يذوب العسل. ونحط ملعقة صغيرة من خميرة فورية، ونخلطه. ونتركه نغطيه ونتركه لمدة 5 دقائق. نحط 3 كواب وربع من طحين أبيض، كيفكم انتو، تدون أسمر انتو كيفكم، بس احنا نحط أبيض. الكوب الأول، ثاني، والثالث. هذا الربع. هسه ورا 5 دقائق اختمرت ما تشوفون. هسه نحطه ويا الطحين، بعدين نعجنه. هسه نروح نعجنه. شوية مي، نتركها إلى تصير عجينة كويسة. هسه صار جاهزة. أخرى من النهاية. يا الله، ما يشوفون عجينة جدا جدا كويسة. طبعا هنا حطينا شوية زيت، نتركها لمدة ساعة إلى ساعتين، أو نتركها إلى أن تختمر أو يضاعف حجمها. طبعا اختمرت العجينة مثل ما تشوفون، صار لها 3 ساعات. هسه نقطعها بالنص، قطعناها بالنص نشيلها ونحطها بطاسة بزيت زيتون. هسه قطعناها كما تشوفون نصين. هسه حطيناها بطاسة ويا زيت زيتون خليها بالثلاجة لمدة 12 ساعة أو يوم كامل. Prepare the white sauce. You need is 1 tablespoon of butter. You got that? You can keep it until it melts. Four pieces of garlic and you're gonna crush them. Cup of yogurt. You're gonna add 1 cup of sour cream, and if you have sour cream, you can just add sour cream without adding those what we did. Since we don't have sour cream and you cannot find it in here, we added 1 cup of yogurt and 1 cup of whipped cream, and you're gonna mix it. Add half a cup of cheese. You can either add I recommend using Parmesan cheese, but since we don't have that, we're using cheddar cheese. I mean, and you're gonna mix until it melts. The texture looks like this. Then you're gonna turn off the heat. Then you're gonna add it to a jar and leave it inside the fridge. And I recommend leaving it with the pizza for 24 hours. I'm gonna prepare the red sauce. We need is a can of tomato. We got it to a blender. After that, you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of oregano leaves, dried by the way. After you do that, you're gonna add salt. You add little. And if you have olive oil, you can use olive oil. Since we don't have that, we're gonna use vegetable oil, 3 teaspoons. Then you're gonna add garlic. This is 4 pieces. After you do that, you're gonna cover it. And you're gonna blend it. It has been 24 hours. As you can see, we took it. Now you're gonna add it to something that's flat. You're gonna add some flour. And we're gonna show what to do next. See, this is what you do. You take the pizza and you just pound it like this. Also, as you can see, we have added the pizza to the tray. After you do that, you're gonna add the red sauce. You don't have to follow what we're doing right now. You can add whatever you want to the pizza. Then you're gonna spread it out. You're gonna add some cheese. Then you're gonna add vegetables. Just adding some small mini tomatoes. After you do that, you're gonna add some more cheese on top of it, so the pizza can become cheesy because we added it. can add as much cheese as you want. After you do that, you're gonna add it to the oven. The oven is hot at 180 degrees Celsius, and you're gonna turn the oven on before, like by 1 hour, so the oven becomes hot. Now this is cooking. We are preparing the next pizza. You do the same thing, but you add different toppings. Pizza in the white sauce that you made. You're gonna spread it out. So now we're adding the shrimp that we made. Cheese on top of the pizza. And after you have done that, you're gonna add it to the oven. You can see the second pizza is ready. Now we're adding the basil, fresh basil, on top of it. We're gonna make pizza with white sauce and cheese only. And now we have cheddar cheese, you're gonna add on top of it. And after you do that, you're gonna add it to the oven.